Number 5. Pluggable Dual Monitor. Works well with Windows 10, 8, 7, and Legacy XP systems. Designed to be sturdy, stable, and easy to hide, perfect for decluttering your desk. Connect up to 2 displays with an HDMI, DVI, or VGA ports up to 1920 by 1200, 1920 by 1080, 1080p, resolutions. An RJ45 gigabit Ethernet network port. External headphone/speaker output jack and a microphone line in. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Amazon Basics. Connect up to 2 monitors using the HDMI and DVI ports. Features 9 peripheral ports. Universal laptop docking station provides convenient connectivity. 2 graphics ports, HDMI and DVI. Connect up to 2 external monitors. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Lenovo ThinkPad 3 Dock. Charge your mobile device with the always power on USB 3.0 port. UHD video experience with dual video output or with up to 3 FHD displays. Perfect pairing for ThinkPad X1 rapid charging, up to 40 Gbps data transfer speeds. Immediate connection to peripherals with a single cable. Min operating temperature 5°C, max operating temperature 40°C. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Pluggable laptop docking station. Drive a single HDMI display output as a maximum resolution of 4K at 30 Hz. Keep your compatible USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 system host system charged with 85 W of power. Enjoy a variety of USB connectivity with 4 total USB 3.0 Type A ports. Stay connected with a wired gigabit Ethernet port. Flexible in your setup on a desk or behind compatible monitors. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Pluggable Universal Docking. Provides super speed USB 3.0, 5 Gbps, link from PC to dual video. HDMI port supports resolutions up to 2560 by 1440. Compatible with Windows 10, 8.1, 8, 7, and Legacy XP systems. 2560 by 1440 output only available when using a single HDMI display. Passive DVI to VGA port adapter. Please check the description for details and best price.